Hey guys, in this video we will be unboxing the Huawei Band 10. This is a quite inexpensive fitness tracker. This costs around 40 euros compared to the Garmin Enduro 3, which I'm currently wearing. This band is super cheap. It actually does come with quite comprehensive features for this price point. I think the most notable difference to the Enduro 3 is that it is missing the GPS sensor. Well, it does miss some other sensors as well, but you still get like wrist-based heart rate tracking. You have the SpO2 monitoring, so the what's pulse ox in Garmin. You have sleep tracking and steps, and it's waterproof up to 5 ATM. It has a 1.47-inch touch screen, an AMOLED touch screen, and it has quite decent battery life, coming at around 8 days or 14 days, I think, in some kind of battery saver mode. And it's compatible with Android and iOS. You get smart notifications on it, and it does support some payment systems. It has music control, but of course you don't get the Garmin ecosystem with it. So let's jump into the unboxing. So here we have the watch. Build quality seems nice. It's quite sturdy. It has an aluminum frame, and I think we have a charging cable here. So this is some kind of a proprietary pin mechanism which goes in the pins in here. And then we have some instruction guidebooks, and that's pretty much it. It's a warranty card and some startup instructions. So the band has a mechanism like this for closing it, and some kind of watch band type. And I think here we have the heart rate sensor and SpO2 sensor, and here at the bottom this would be where we are charging or connecting the charging connector, and it's a magnetic connector, so it's quite easy to place in the correct spot, and it holds on firmly. And on the screen there's a foil, and let's start it from the button here. Let's hold it down maybe a bit longer. Okay, now it's starting up. It seems the bands come off quite easily. There's a small button you press here and you get the band off like this. So you could change to different bands if you like. And I believe next we will need to scan that QR code and install the app on the phone to pair it with the phone. And yeah, you can actually track your GPS if you take your phone with you. The weight of the band is quite light, so well, yeah, comparing in size to the Enduro 3, it's very small, but anyhow, this is for my daughter, so kind of this small band style was her preference compared to a chunky watch like this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.